Hi, I'm Jackie, the nurse from Professional Supplement Center. Today, I'd like to tell you about some products from our featured brand, Nutrigen. Nutrigen provides organic, whole food products designed and formulated by doctors and certified clinical nutritionists using carefully selected, synergistic, and scientifically proven raw materials. In keeping with their commitment to optimal wellness, healthy aging, and a healthier planet, Nutrigen eco-friendly packaged formulas are gluten, soy, dairy, and egg-free and formulated with non-GMO, organic, vegan ingredients that have been clinically researched and thoroughly tested. Top-selling formulas from Nutrigen: Pure Digestion Plus, scientifically formulated with a broad spectrum of soluble and insoluble fibers, digestive enzymes, and probiotics. This organic, unflavored, powdered formula supports healthy digestion, normal blood glucose levels, and bowel regularity, and reduces abdominal discomfort related to cramping and bloating. Pure Plant Protein, formulated with a blend of high-quality organic plant proteins, plant enzymes, and whole fruits. This low-carb, low-sugar formula is designed to support overall wellness and to strengthen the immune and digestive systems, while reducing inflammation and supporting lean muscle mass and muscle recovery. Pure Omega Plus. This advanced delivery formula combines the benefits of omega-3 fatty acids with certified organic turmeric, astaxanthin, and vitamin D3 in support of healthy cognitive function, a healthy inflammatory response, and bone, joint, and immune system support. Pure Greens, organic superfood, formulated for whole body wellness and to support healthy aging. This expertly crafted green powder contains a perfect balance of green grasses, veggies, fruits, herbs, and plant foods, which provide vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, enzymes, fiber, and probiotics. Should you have any questions about the Nutrigen line of products, please visit, call, or email Professional Supplement Center, where a knowledgeable and friendly staff member will be happy to assist you.